In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can watch YouTube and play games on your PS5 at the same time. So make sure you watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first you have to press the PS5 button here and then go to game base, and now here go on any of your friend, open the chat and send them a message as this youtube.com. After you have sent the message, go on the youtube.com, press X and YouTube will open. Now play any video that you want to watch, and after you have played the video, you have to press this option button, and then here go to the bottom and press X on pin to slide. Now you can move this YouTube screen to left or right by pressing these arrow keys, and then you have to press X to pin it. Now the YouTube has pinned to the side. Now you can play any game that you want, and while you are playing game, if you want to move the YouTube screen or play any other video, you have to press the PS button 2 times, and you have to press the PS button 2 times, and then you can use arrow on your YouTube, and you can press box button and resize the YouTube screen by pressing the box button, and then when you want to pin the YouTube card, press the this options button, and from here go to move, and from here you can move wherever you want, and then after you have moved, press X to pin it. And so this is how you can watch YouTube and play PS5 games at the same time. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.